Hello everyone, we are group 3. This is presentation 1 on project communication. We are doing this presentation on Soper's Dogma. So here is our team members. There are 4 of us in our team, Swati, Mitchell, Neelam and me. Each one of us has a different roles and responsibilities on our team. So here is the agenda for today. Today's presentation will cover several key points. We will begin with an introduction and then we'll continue with the overview of the company. We will then explore communication networks and discuss various personality types and its styles. Moreover, we'll discuss about active and effective listening. At last, we'll conclude with a summary of the key points we have discussed. So here is the company overview. Company name Shoppers Drug Mart, and the industry it is in is the pharmacy services. Here is the mission statement. Committed to providing Canadians with the best health, beauty and convenience options.
Thank you, Yuvraj. Hello, everyone. My name is Neelam Shrestha, and let's continue with the scenario providing excellent customer service in a pharmacy setting at Shoppers Drug Mart. Imagine a customer walking into our store seeking guidance and care. They are greeted with a warm smile from our dedicated customer service representatives. Pharmacy staff equipped with extensive knowledge and comprehensive approach are ready to assist with prescriptions, over-the-counter medications, health and health consultation. They ensure every customer feels heard and cared for, providing personalized advice tailored to each individual needs. Behind the scenes, the store manager oversees the seamless operations, ensuring that every team member is supported, every process is efficient, and every customer experience is positive. This collaborative efforts creates an environment where customer feels valued and trust us with their health and wellness. Shoppers Drug Mart is not just a place to pick up medication but a community hub for health support and care. Now let's discuss the lesson learned. Firstly, we dive into communication network. We learn that hierarchical structure ensures clarity and efficiency, allowing information to cascade smoothly from management to staff and providing a clear pathway for issue escalation. Secondly, we explore the importance of the personality types into our interactions. Understanding the diverse personality of our team members and customers allows us to tailor our communication and service approach, fostering a more inclusive and effective work environment. Lastly, we focused on active and effective listening. This skill is crucial for understanding the needs and concerns of our customers and colleagues. By truly listening and engaging with the speaker, we build strong relationships and enhance our problem-solving capabilities. Now let's talk about the communication network. Suppose documents follow clear and efficient hierarchical communication network. This structure is pivotal in maintaining an organized flow of information and decision making. At the apex of communication pyramid is the store manager, who is responsible for setting policies and procedures to the team. With a top-down approach, the manager ensures that every team members of our staff, from customer service representative to pharmacy staff, is well informed and aligned with store's objectives. The staff members are empowered to provide exceptional service but also have the support they need when challenges arise. If a customer's concern goes beyond the scope of the authority, they can escalate the issue to the manager. This ensures that all the concerns are addressed promptly and efficiently, with the manager providing the final say in critical situations and decisions. This hierarchical network is not just about the authority, it's about ensuring that every team member has the support and information they need to excel in their roles. It's about making sure that our customers receive the best care possible. Now, I'd like to ask Michelle to take over the slides. Thank you.
Thank you, Neelam. I'm going to talk about the personality types of our key participants. In a pharmacy setting like Shoppers Drug Mart, you will encounter various personality types among the key participants: customers, customer service representatives, pharmacy staff, and the store manager. Understanding these personality types can help in managing conflicts and enhance teamwork. The Berkman model identifies 4 main personality types based on a combination of needs, interests, usual behavior, and stress behavior. Next, I will go through and identify the personality types for each of the key participant groups. First, I'll start with the customer seeking service. They're often green communicators. These customers value personal interactions and prefer to discuss their needs in detail. They are people-oriented and assertive, seeking persuasive and empathetic communication from our staff. Customers seeking service can also be red expediters. These customers are very task-oriented and assertive. They want quick and efficient service without too much delay in getting the products that they need or understanding a lot of details. Next, we'll look at the customer service representatives. We have identified them as green communicators. Most customer service representatives fall in this category as they're focused on building relationships, persuading, and ensuring customer satisfaction through good and effective communication. They're often people-oriented and persuasive. The beauty consultants excel at engaging with customers at Shoppers Drug Mart. They explore customer needs and offering personalized beauty recommendations and create a welcoming environment that encourages repeat visits from customers. Next, we'll look at the pharmacy staff. We have identified them as both blue planners. Pharmacy staff are likely to be planners who are detail-oriented and methodical. They focus on accuracy and developing detailed schedules for dispensing medications, emphasizing innovation and thorough planning. We've also identified pharmacy staff as yellow administrators. They can also show traits of administrators being cautious and ensuring that all supporting infrastructure and protocols are strictly followed before dispensing any medications. Cautious and detail-oriented, the pharmacist at Shoppers Drug Mart prioritizes accuracy and safety. They meticulously follow protocols and double-check prescriptions and maintain a focus on the pharmacy's operational integrity and patient care. Lastly, we'll look at the store manager. Often, store managers have a lot of red traits, as they need to be very task-oriented and assertive. The store manager at Shoppers Drug Mart focuses on action and efficiency. They quickly implement operational improvements like new self-checkout procedures to enhance the customer experience without any lengthy decision-making. They can also be blue planners, as they're innovative and customer-focused when having to manage inventory at Shoppers Drug Mart. They design meticulous plans to optimize stock, and they ensure popular products are consistently available and easily accessible, enhancing customer satisfaction and store efficiency. Understanding how these personalities differ from yours helps in managing conflicts and enhancing teamwork. If you are a blue planner, you may prefer detailed and structured approaches in contrast to red expediters who act quickly without much planning. Understanding and recognizing these differences allow you to adapt your approach when interacting with each type. Using this knowledge to manage conflicts and enhance your teamwork. One way to manage conflict is with empathy and adaptation. By understanding the personality types, you can empathize with their needs and adapt your behavior accordingly. For instance, provide detailed information to blue planners and quick responses to red expediters. Another way to manage conflict is by using effective communication. You can tailor your communication style to match the preferences of each type. Use persuasive and empathetic communication with green communicators and clear, concise instructions with the yellow administrators. You can also enhance your teamwork by understanding the personality types. One way to do this is by leveraging strengths. Assign tasks that align with each team member's strengths. For example, let green communicators handle the customer interactions and have blue planners focused on detailed planning and accuracy for the store. Another way to enhance your teamwork is by creating a supportive environment. You can foster a work environment that meets the needs of the different personality types. You can ensure a structured environment for yellow administrators and a dynamic, interactive setting with customers for green communicators. Now I will pass it to Sweti to discuss active and effective listening.
Thank you, Michelle. Let's move forward to our next topic, that is active and effective listening. Here we have four main things, that is hearing, clarifying, interpreting, and responding. In hearing, one must focus on the speaker, maintain eye contact, not to show attentiveness, and clear your mind for any distractions. For clarifying, we need to ensure the understanding by asking open ended questions, summarizing what the speaker said, and acknowledging their emotions without leading questions. And for interpreting, we need to understand the underlying emotions and messages through nonverbal cues like body language and tone. We need to validate our understanding with the speaker. And for responding, we need to provide a thoughtful and empathetic response. We need to use verbal affirmation to show our understanding, provide constructive feedback, and we need to follow up on any agreed actions. So let's take a scenario for better understanding. The scenario here is as a manager at Shoppers Drug Mart Pharmacy, and I am approached by a concerned customer who is anxious about a newly prescribed medication. So in a scenario like this, we have certain do's and don'ts, and let me just go through about the do's first. So in do's, I need to focus and engage with the customer by maintaining eye contact. I need to eliminate my mind with any distractions. I need to not to show my attentiveness, and I need to ask open-ended questions, summarize their concern, and acknowledge their emotions for better clarification. And I need to provide an empathetic response by providing clear explanation and offer a follow-up support. There are few things that I need to avoid, like avoid interpretation. I need to refrain myself from interpreting or rushing the customer, and I need to avoid myself making any assumptions, like avoiding dismissing concerns or making assumptions about their knowledge. And I should not provide generic responses, like or offer personalized support and guidance based on their needs. So let's see a small summary of the topics that we covered today. In communication network is hierarchical flow of information which ensures a clear and organized decision making through a structured communication process. In personality types, we saw key participants who are customers, service representative, pharmacy staff, and store manager. And here, understanding diverse personalities enhances conflict management, empathy, and teamwork. So lastly, we saw active and effective listening and its key components like hearing, clarifying, interpreting, and responding, which emphasizes on focused engagement and empathetic response in customer interactions. We have cited few references here that we have used in our presentation. This concludes our presentation today, and we would like to thank each and every one of you for your time and patience, and have a great rest of the day. Thank you.